As requested, here's the tutorial for this bow. So I'm using ribbon from Hobby Lobby. The burlap ribbon is 2 inches wide and the striped ribbon is 2.5 inches. I normally just eyeball how long I want the ribbon, but for the sake of this video, I did measure it out. So this first piece is going to be 14 inches. And then I'm going to cut out another piece the same length. So you need 2 pieces, 14 inches. And then staple them together. And then just kind of make it into a bow. And when I put them together, I actually crisscross them, so it's kind of like an X formation. And then I'm going to use floral wire to twist it together. And then this next piece is going to be the tail. And I always like to go a little bit longer for this because depending on what sign it's going on, I might need the tail a little bit longer. A lot of times I do trim it up quite a bit though, but I would just make it a little bit longer in case you need it longer for the sign you're putting it on. And then next I'm gonna measure out the burlap piece that's gonna go underneath. So I put the bow on top because I want this to kind of go a little bit wider than the first bow. And I measured this one out and it was 18 inches long. And you just need one of these and then staple that together, and then you're gonna make the tail. And of course I like to cut the ends to make the little cute tail. And then put that together with the floral wire. And I realized it was too long, so I trimmed it up a little bit. And then put them together again, more floral wire. And then this really fun part, I'm gonna get this twine and I'm gonna wrap that around the middle and then just tie it on the back. So you can play around with where you want to put the bow. You could kind of tilt it to the side like it was on the side in the first video, but I actually for this one put it in the middle, and I put lamb's ear and eucalyptus. I find that that really suits this ribbon well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.
Hey, I'm going to show you how I frame my wood signs. So I use Gorilla wood glue and my brad nailer. This is the Ryobi battery operated brad nailer. I love it. I use 1 inch 18 gauge brad nails. And then my sign, this is a 17 by 24 sign. I use 1/2 inch plywood. And then for my framing pieces, I use 1 by 2 sign. So usually what I like to do first is, let's scoot back a little bit, is I like to put my frame around the sign before I attach it, just to make sure my measurements are right, everything's flush together before I add the wood glue. And then we trim it. This looks pretty good.
So I had showed you guys earlier that I like to get my wood signs from Craft Deals. So this is one of their 12 by 12 farmhouse sign kits. It comes with the 1/8 inch birch backing and the mitered frames that also have the slit in them, so you can just slide your back piece in. For this particular sign, I'm just staining the frames with some Waverly wax paint and a baby wipe, and then I'm painting the backer in black. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it all together as soon as everything dries really well. And I'm just using Gorilla Glue, this wood glue from Gorilla Glue. You do not want to use very much of it because it expands, so just a very little amount, and that will hold your sign frame together. But then I do like to brad nail it together in the end.